Short squeeze of Gamestop, BlackBerry, AMC, and Nokia. How are you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ilya, and today we're going to talk about the war that now is going on between Wall Street bets, regular people, and Wall Street. And before we start, just quick note, I'm not a professional investor, so don't listen to me. What I'm saying right now, it's all my opinion and you don't have to do that. Don't put your money at risk. So everywhere, all over the news, you guys can see GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and other stocks. And you maybe heard about short squeeze. What is a short squeeze? So short position, it's when an investor betting for stock to go down. So an investor betting against the stock. And what happened with GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia? All these companies, as we all know, not the greatest company in the world. Nobody's thinking that they will do good, so nobody investing in them. So Wall Street, one in New York, decided to bet against them. And then Wall Street Bets, which is a Reddit group, and right now they have more than 3.5 million people there. So that's crazy amount. Just think about this. If every single member had at least $1,000 in their account, it's more than $5 billion in buying power. That's crazy. So what happened? They decided to bet on GameStop, which is, as we all know, company is doing really bad. And that company was shorted so badly, so all Wall Street was betting against that company. And one guy on Reddit, his name is Deep F Value, in 2019 he bought $50,000 worth of GameStop options and shares, and expiration date is in April 2021. Right now he worth more than $50 million. Can you imagine that? More than $50 million. Okay, so let's talk about GameStop. What happened with GameStop? It's so shorted. It's so badly shorted, so everybody decided to bet on it. So all Reddit, all Wall Street bet people start betting on it. And when you bet on it and stop going up, only one way how shorts can fix the situation, they have to buy the stock at that price, and the more stocks they're buying, the higher price goes, and the more people shorted that stock, they have to buy it. Because when you short the stock, it's not options. When you short the stock, you can lose more than 100%. The higher difference between the price you shorted and the price of the stock at this moment is, the more percentage you're losing. So I think in last 3 weeks, all companies from Wall Street lost altogether more than $5 billion. Can you imagine? More than $5 billion. That's crazy, guys. But I want to talk about it because I think it's one of a time opportunity. And even if you lost your spot in GameStop, because right now stock is trading at $300 something, and 1 month ago the stock was trading at below $10. That's crazy, right? So there are other companies that are very shorted, companies like AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia. All over the internet, all over the Wall Street Bet Reddit group, everybody's talking about it. The volume of the stocks is ridiculous. Over 1 billion shares traded today. That's crazy. Can you imagine 1 billion shares? And usually the volume is around 20 million shares for these common stocks. And AMC right now trading around $16, BlackBerry is trading around $22, Nokia is trading around $6. Like I said, this company doesn't really have any value in it. It's all about hype, it's all about short squeeze. But a lot of people can still make money. I feel like there are a lot of space in these companies like AMC, Nokia, and BlackBerry. There is some spot to grow, and even celebrities like David Portnoy, David Dobrik, Elon Musk, they all tweeted about these companies, and they're all in with us and all in with Wall Street bets. This is a war. This war is going on between regular people because of a pandemic. People don't have what to eat, they really can't pay their bills, and Wall Street people who makes billions and billions of dollars. All news are talking about it. And this is the moment where Robinhood is actually stealing money from rich people and giving to everybody else. In my opinion, this is very volatile market. It's very risky. You can lose a lot of money, but at the same time, you have to follow the crowd. You have to follow the hype. It's not always about market value. It's not always about company value. Sometimes you just have to follow the crowd. You have to buy what people buying. And when we're talking about 3.5 million people are buying the same stocks, the power is huge. So they can push any stocks up because the buying power is so high up. It doesn't matter if the stock is good or bad. AMC was close to bankruptcy, and right now they're worth like more than $10 billion. And guess what? They probably will go even higher. Right now it's trading at $16, but it probably will hit 50, maybe even 100. Who knows? It's very hard to predict the top price for these stocks, but what a time to be alive. I think it's a really good opportunity, but you have to do your research. Don't just jump on it. But there's still a lot of space to make money there. Just read about it, follow Wall Street Bets, follow my channel, and like I said, good luck guys. Don't risk your money, and I hope you'll make a lot of money.